lip gloss rolled out. And then I go to pick it up and it's gone.
It's gone?
It's gone.
Some
it was
people.
so strawberry banana delicious. It was just so yummy. And my lip gloss is gone. Like, look at these lips. They just need some gloss on them.
They do need some gloss.
I know, man. This is so sad.
Yes, this is a tragedy.
Tragedy. How was your day?
It was delicious.
Delicious? Mmm. Do tell.
Well, I went to the mall and saw that loser.
What a loser. I know.
And then
Anyway.
she bought me this mitten. There was no other mitten.
Who would buy you a mitten without other mittens? Like,
I know. And it was the ugliest mitten I've ever seen.
no way.
Way.
Whoa.
I know.
What a loser. I know. We should go be mean to her.
Let's do it.
You're a jerk. Your hair isn't pretty. That shirt is ugly. Yeah, that's right. Why would you even, buy her a mitten without buying her another mitten? Like, what is your problem? Well, where are you from?
Idea.
Yeah, and you're the girl who stole my lip gloss. I recognize you. Like, let's get out of here. This?
Kingston!
This fried chicken is so good.
Man, my chicken fries are so like chickeny. Really? Chickeny. Chickeny. No way.
Hey,
No! Run me alive! Before we die from a bunch of knives.
I get it down on the dance floor. Watch this. Hey! You don't even